challenge. Yay! Funtober! Let's go!
ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by watching my videos in full, liking, commenting, and go watch a playlist or two. Today is Gouache, so off camera I've pre-sketched a fun cactus character, and now I'm going in with my Schmink Academy gouache. And I have to say that the gouache in this ice cube tray has gone a bit weird because it's old. But anyway, we're doing a cactus with pink hair, and the green's a little bit darker than I would have liked, but there we are. And I'm doing white little specks for the background and black for the little spikes, plus the yellow ochre for the sand. And this is what it is like now it's finished. My challenge, as you know, was to use this old gouache paint set that I keep in a Ziploc bag, and I'm afraid I have left it far too long. So even adding the water, I know the blue is looking okay and the red, but actually when you put a paintbrush in or anything and take it out, it's lumpy however much you mix it. It's basically, you see this pink, basically that's what it's like underneath these shiny thick ones. So in the new year I'm going to be having a different container that I've seen other artists on Instagram use, and it is for tiny beads, and they have little flip-up compartments within a little plastic case. So that means they're going to be airtight. This Ziploc bag, it's done well, but it is not a perfect solution for what I'm looking for. But I'm quite pleased with how these old, almost unusable paints have created this cactus. And as I said earlier, the green is not cactus green, but it's okay. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.